Alright guys, welcome back with another box break here, and this one here, this is a funny one here, believe it or not. Been waiting on quite a few hanger boxes and blaster boxes in the mail from eBay. Some Panini Chronicles 1920, trying to get that Ja Morant Young Dolph card. But I was at Walmart today and kind of just looking around. Was looking around for a few minutes here, couldn't find nothing I wanted to get, but just kind of couldn't leave there with nothing. So this is kind of what I came out there with. This is 24-25 Topps Chrome basketball. And sorry about this video here, I kind of had to redo it. My kid came down and was yelling and stuff there, so I had to redo it. So basically what happened, I started the video and started to break the box open, and I got that far and stopped the video there because my son came down here and started yelling. But I stopped the video here, but we're going to start this one back up, just break this one real quick here. Just the random Walmart box. So, I say 32 cards total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 432. All right, guys. What do you think we'll get? Maybe we'll get a nice Steph LeBron auto. We'll see. I ain't hold my breath for that one, but hopefully we get something good. All right, guys. First pack. Here we go. Oh, I like these ones. Oh, you know what? I have got these ones before. I just remember that I did have these ones. Kevin Garnett. Cody Williams, rookie. Another Kevin Garnett. And a Pele Lassens, rookie. Second pack. Clyde the Glide. Terrence Shannon Jr. Eric Gordon. Jason Tatum. Oh. Pack number 3. Derek White. Oso. Derek Lively with the Topps refractor. Huh. Let's see. I don't think it's numbered or nothing. Set that one up there, I guess, till we find something else. Asian Mitchell. So I don't know what you got. Have you guys pulled anything out of these? I really like these cards, though. They're really cool. Better than some of the other ones. I don't like the designs on them. Don't really know a whole lot about these. I've kind of stayed away from them because I don't stayed away from that year. Because if you know me, I kind of been chasing lately, like the Wembies and Jaws and Cooper, Brandon Podziemski, Quentin Grimes, The Diet, Elvin Hayes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway done, guys. Ain't really finding nothing here, to tell you the truth. Let me know if you guys got anything out of here. any stories you guys got, anything you guys pulled lately. Got a lot more stuff coming here real soon, hopefully Monday. Carl Anthony Towns, Zach 80, rookie. Kyrie, film study. Cam Johnson. Jonas. Spencer Dinwiddie. Josh Giddey. 2 Josh Giddeys back to back. And there ain't nothing special about either one of them. Well, hold up. Take that back to pink. Pink Giddey. So, let me... I've really been checking that, Eric Gordon. I haven't really been checking that, but forgot about that. Pink. All right, guys. Second to last pack. Jordan Poole. Noah Clowney. Draymond Green. Uvessus Missy. All right, guys, last pack. Last pack's gonna be a pain. Yep, there we go. Jimmy Butler. Oh, what we got back there? B.I. Brandon Ingram. Cody Kisper. And what do we got here? The pink. It's a rookie. Stephen Castle. Countdown complete. That's a nice one there. So that's the best one probably I'd say out of the whole box. We'll just leave them up there, but not too impressed with these cards. I mean, I like the cards there, but not too impressed with them. But I mean, you can't really expect too much out of a blaster box. But we'll see. Maybe sometime down the road, maybe I'll get a mega box of them or something. Never say never. But thanks, guys, for watching here, and be on the lookout here because I got some real nice boxes coming here, and hopefully we can pull some nice Ja Morants. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know what's going on. I'll take a look at all your guys' stuff too. Happy breaking, guys. Thanks.